Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to install Windows 11 on your Mac. First thing first, open Parallels Desktop on your Mac. Click the Parallels icon in the Mac menu bar and select Control Center. Now in Control Center, click the plus icon and select Get Windows 11 from Microsoft. Click Continue, then install Windows. Now, Parallels will automatically download the latest version of Windows 11 directly from Microsoft. The setup process will run automatically, no need to manually configure disks or partitions. Now, once installation is finished, you'll see an installation complete message. Click Continue, then read the Accept Microsoft's ULA agreement. And your virtual Windows 11 machine is now ready to use. You can log in with your Microsoft again and install apps or customize your Windows environment. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.